So I've been interested in forensics since probably early high school. I always kind of had a fascination with DNA, and then I started watching true crime documentaries, and I was like, oh, this is really cool. So being able to combine like my interest in DNA and the biology side with criminal justice and making sure that the perpetrators of crimes are brought to justice, and also that we lower the amount of wrongful convictions that we make in the justice system. That's a really big part of our forensics program here at Duquesne, which is really awesome.
I was actually in 8th grade and was watching Law & Order Special Victims Unit and decided I wanted to be a forensic scientist. They help people find closure. That's the biggest part of the job, is using science to fight for justice. So I started looking for schools. I visited the school a couple times and decided that this was the school for me. So the program at Duquesne is a 5-year master's program. So within the 5 years, you will obviously come out with your master's program as well as a bachelor's degree in either biology or biochemistry, as well as a minor in whatever one you do not choose. So I chose the biochem track, so I have my bachelor's in biochem as well as a minor in biology, and at the end of this year I'll have my master's in forensic science.
So I chose to study at Duquesne largely because of the forensic science program. It is the only 5-year program in the nation that combines experience behind the bench and also working in the court system and learning how to testify and how the legal side works.
On top of that, the program is also accredited through FEPAC, which is the big accreditation committee for forensic science programs for colleges. So that is something that is looked at whenever applying for jobs.
So Duquesne is really focused on hands-on experiences. Like as early as freshman year, you're able to get into the lab and do research and be hands-on with everything. So it really prepares you in a lot of different disciplines, and you get to work the instruments and you know what you're doing, so that when you graduate, you can go to these employers and say, I have training on this instrument and this instrument, and it makes you a more competitive applicant.
I have received so many opportunities to present my research, to talk to people that I never would have been able to talk to without contacts from Duquesne. Also, the faculty at the Forensic Science and Law program are absolutely wonderful. I don't know what I would do without them. They take the time to know their students personally and actually get to know them and help them through personal life things.
But also I really came to love the community here at Duquesne. It really is like a big family here on campus. We're a mid-sized campus, which is great. It's just the perfect size for me, and the location is awesome too in the city.
There's just something about this school that really makes it feel like home.
Everyone here wants to help each other. It's not a competition. It's everyone working together to make sure we all succeed and we all can do well and kind of move forward within the program.
I want to be a DNA analyst. I find DNA very interesting. It is very cool how just one little nanogram of DNA can tell so much about one person. But yes, I would definitely be looking to work in a crime lab, hopefully a state crime lab or a local crime lab.
So once I graduate, I'm either looking at PhD programs to go into a program more focused in genetics, so that I can kind of work in academia or in research professionally moving forward, or alternatively go into being a DNA analyst at a federal agency like the FBI or a state crime lab or something like that.